Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And a quick video to kind of tell you guys some shocking news, something that has developed from Google, and that is just mind-boggling why they're doing this. And that is the dramatic price cut on both the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. The Pixel 6 right now is going for $499, and its big brother, the 6 Pro, is going for $699. And those are the baseline starts for them. So if you were to go for a higher storage capacity on the 6 Pro, then of course add additional to that $699 price. But it's kind of crazy that Google is actually bringing up the price on these things like to a lower cost right around the launch of the Pixel 6a. So some people will probably say that Google is undercutting their next device. Some people might look at it as a sign of maybe no confidence in the next A series device coming out. Here's my thoughts and opinions on that. And the reason why I think that the 6 and 6 Pro have a dramatic price cut going on right now. And I think it's just basically Google's way of just basically getting rid of backstock and making room for the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. One of the things that has been apparent with Google that we've noticed over time is that when their next device, flagship device to be more exact, comes out, they tend to drop their previous flagship off their website for sale. So this is about to leave the Google website here soon. The 6A is about to be on their website for sale, and then the 7 and 7 Pro later on this year. So the most craziest thing about all this is that, again, why Google? I know we shouldn't really be questioning that because we kind of win in this situation, being consumers, being customers, basically. Consumers is such a weird, odd word. But yeah, we win because what most, including myself, have paid $599 for this phone. Today, someone can get this exact same phone for $100 less than what I paid. And sure, some people will say, well, it's, maybe 8, 9, 10 months old. And so, yeah, that makes sense to do the price cut like that, and possibly so. But most places have been selling this at its full value price for a while now. So I don't know. I mean, I do kind of feel like that this could undercut the Pixel 6a. And the reason why I say that is because you get the newer camera sensor with the Pixel 6. You get a larger display than what you do on the Pixel 6a. The 6a has its defining moments of it, which have been prevalent in the A series since the first Pixel 3a. And that's something that I will never take away from that line because I do, in fact, really enjoy the A series devices from Google. I really feel like that with the A series devices, they do not stray away from the flagship devices from Google. The only things that you really notice as a corner cut would be the material building the phone and some slight other things over time that they would do just to kind of bring the price down, but still keep everything in focus to be well optimized and perform just as its big brother flagships. So you guys tell me in the comment section of the video, why do you guys think that Google did this? And does this in fact undercut the Pixel 6a? And if not, please explain why in the comments. But I think this is a great time for those who wanted to get the Pixel 6 or 6 Pro because now it's cheaper. If you were on the fence, possibly going for the 6a, maybe you want to try out the new 50 megapixel sensor that the Pixel 6 offers. Or maybe you want the 50 megapixel sensor, the ultra wide, and you also want the telephoto, and you can get that from the Pixel 6 Pro. Still, there are avid fans of the A series devices, and I think the diehard ones are still going to go after the 6A. So I feel like it's not really going to undercut the 6A dramatically. To some degree, it will, because you can now get these for a much cheaper price. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section of the video. Smash the like button if you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for checking it out, and as always, aloha.